If you look at the main structure now, somebody asked me, and he just asked me based on two reasons. You see, I posted the video and I just said, market candle clear closure I want. So I want a price to break above this level. This is what we call the sell side liquidity. Price has broken below the sell side liquidity. Follow me and you'll see the full details. It's responsible for that. So immediately market sweep the sell side liquidity, price was able to push up higher, and that is exactly what I want to explain in this video, because somebody asked me this and I want to give him a full clarity. Let me show you what somebody asked. This is Blessing, one of my VIP subscribers. This is what she asked. She said, "Good morning, sir. How was you?" And I saw a signal. For clarity, you mean there might be an entry price when price breaks above the recent high, or price will first clear the recent equal lows created where you underlined before. So she's just trying to ask me, what did I mean here? What I just mean simple. Price has sweep, market is typically moving in a normal downtrend, but price has typically sweep sell side liquidity. And I mark two levels now. After I marked these two levels, price was able to break above this level. So after price above this level, all you need to understand is there will be a short time change in trend, because this is also a sweep sell side liquidity, and I mark my range. And when price continue to trade above trend, that is when I get my final confirmation. And that's why we are riding this long wave trend. You see, we are moving over, 200 pips intact from the entry level. We enter at 16,501 and market is trading 16,811, which is over 300 pips target. This is Boom and Crash Club. And I want you to understand, for you to get this kind of result, you need to make sure you understand market structure very well, you understand the trend, you know what you are doing, and you'll be able to get this kind of result. So what I want you to understand, for somebody that asked me that question, whenever price is moving in a downtrend and all of a sudden you see price has swept another sell side liquidity and price to push up higher, so we just wait for the second confirmation. When price come and tap into this level, you don't have any excuse. All you need is to just wrap up your trend, buy, and let the market go in an uptrend direction. That is exactly what I want you to understand with this concept. For those that have this strategy, they already know that. That's why even day one I posted it, I said I need a candle closure. Let me show you what I mean by candle closure. Let me go back to my VIP signal group. So as I told you, what I need a candle closure. And you see, immediately candle open and close. Look at it. This is a big green candle. The big candle open and close above this red moving average that is on this main chart. And what happened? The stochastic, or I should say the MACD. Look at the MACD level here. Price is trading above zero level, and that is why I get my final confirmation, and that is why I take the trade, and that's why we are in this good food repeat now. And that's why I want you to also make sure you understand why I trade like this. See, we get a very nice uptrend. Look at it. Price has been trending upward here. So now we need this uptrend to continue up to this level, possibly up to 17,101 price level. That is why I'm expecting this uptrend to reach. So if you reach 17,101, somebody can book a profit, and let's see what the market will have to produce. If you look at the weekly time frame, we have a bullish week. Last week is a bearish week, but we have a bullish week now. Possibly this bullish week will be able to wrap up and tap price market into this level. And if we're able to tap into this level, that will be a very, very huge and nice profit. And that is what I want you to understand. This is Boom and Crash Club. And nice to have you now. See you in my next video. Bye.